in this cold, stormy, rainy, dark, nighttime video, we're going to take a look at the December 2018 Mission 46 Battlbox, the Gearbox. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me here at my newly improved outdoor weather resistant studio, we'll call it. And I don't know which is worse, the rain on the tarp or the dogs barking. Hopefully I can clean that up a little bit in editing, but we'll see. But it's probably in the high 30s now here in the beginning of December in Georgia, about 2.5 weeks before Christmas. Wind's blowing kind of good. It's been raining for a few days now, and I got some videos I got to make. So I set up a tarp out here. I stuck a bunch of lanterns underneath it, and we're going to endeavor to persevere. So anyway, I'm not going to ramble too much here. This will be Battlbox number 46. The folks at Battlbox were kind enough to send me these every month so I can show them to you. And if you're not familiar, Battlbox is a subscription service that offers different levels, and it's usually related to outdoors and camping and survival type gear, ranging anywhere from 25 bucks a month all the way up to 150 bucks a month for their Knife of the Month club. So what I've done, as always, is gone out on the old internet and to see what you can get this stuff for on the street, so to speak, so you can compare prices and see if it's, if the value makes sense for you, and to show you what's in here. And hopefully this information will help you make an informed decision about whether or not this is something you wish to explore further. If Battlbox is something you want to explore further, you can check out the link in the description below, and you can save 10%, and I'll get a little commission, so it's a win-win. So anyway, with all that being said, let's take you down to the old slightly wet stump top. We'll see what is in the December 2018 Mission 46 Battlbox, the Gearbox. I'm not going to take a chance on messing up the white balance of the camera while we're in the dark or dim lights anyway, so I'm going to show you that big white box. But at the end of the day, the first item in the box, as always, is this this card showing, what's all in the box, and gives a little bit of a kind of a detail of the thought process that went into the selection of the items. So without further ado, let's get going. The first level is a basic level. It's $24.99 a month. And at the basic level, this month, you're going to get the following items. So first of all, we have a 6-pack of these Panther Vision button lights. They're stick-on little button LED lights. They're pretty stinking cool. And it just allows you to have a very portable light that you can use in several different places. And I think these are really great for sticking in a emergency kit. And that way, if you need a light, the power goes out or whatever, because it is wintertime here in Georgia. And if we get 2 inches of snow, you can pretty much count on the power going out. So they're pretty cool. They stick on, you can use them, put them in a gun safe, put them in a closet, put them in a drawer. Just a lot of cool uses for these. They're giving these $8.57 value, which is exactly what I found them for on Amazon. Next item is something that I think I've seen it was in a previous Battlbox a couple years ago, but it's the Operator Survival Tool, and it's just a cool little lipstick size package that has a flint rod, a carbon scraper, and a knife sharpener, and the tube acts as a handle, so you can use this to keep the carbon off your bolt carrier group, and you can also start a fire with it, or even keep your knife sharp. So it's pretty cool there. They're giving this a $24.95 value, and I couldn't find it anywhere except Amazon for $24.95, so not bad there. The next item is a set of Battle Tack gear straps, and these are kind of just a little short Velcro straps with a buckle on them for can tidy up paracord, wires, cable, or whatever you need to tighten up. Just kind of helps you keep things in order. And there's 3 of these in this pack for $4.99. I couldn't find these obviously on Amazon, but I think that seems like a reasonable price. I found some that were 6 for 10 bucks, so 3 for $5 seems like a fair price to me. So there's that. Finally, the last item in the basic box this month is something called the Quick Seal Wound Care Spray Powder. And it's kind of a clotting agent you can spray on that'll help small surface wounds. This is not for trauma, but for surface wounds to clot up. Couldn't find this one anywhere. It's out of stock everywhere I could find. But I did find some Curad for $6.83. They're giving this one an $8.99 value, but I found Curad for $6.83. So there's that. That's everything in the basic box this month. That gives them a stated value of $47.50. I came up with $45.33, so not too far off there. The next subscription level is the Advanced for $49.99 a month, and you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. This month, there more stuff is, first of all, a Lord & Field 20-liter dry bag, which could probably come in handy right about now, at least here at our studio. 20 liters. It's got a little. It comes with just a shoulder strap on it. We'll leave it folded up here for a minute. They're giving that a $24.99 value. The closest thing, I found one for like $16.99 on Amazon, so not too bad there. And then the next item on the Advanced is another Lord & Field item, which I think is a Georgia company. And it's a very nice set with a kind of a crush-proof package of interchangeable lens shooting glasses or range glasses. And there's several different colors in here. You can see very nice kit here with like I said, a kind of a crush-proof package for it. They're giving this a $34.99 value. I found some that have one less lens on them. They only had like 3 or 4 lenses, and they did not say anything about the packaging, the crush-proof pouch. But it was $17.55, so pretty big difference in price there. But I think this one's a little nicer. But you know, you can get some interchangeable lens shooting glasses cheaper. So we'll go with the $17.55 just to be fair, which brings their stated value for the Advanced kit to $107.48. And mostly because of the glasses, I came up with $79.87. So that's the Advanced. So the next level is a Pro level at $99.99 a month, and at the Pro level you get everything in the previous levels plus some more stuff. This month the more stuff is a couple things really cool. First of all, I saw this at SHOT Show last year. It's a Gerber Flatiron. It's like a folding cleaver style knife, which are becoming very popular now. This is Gerber's version, a frame lock, really nice knife in my opinion. A very useful blade shape, doing a lot of cool stuff. They're giving this a $37 value. It's $39.99 on Amazon, so not a bad value there. And then one more item this month in the Advanced kit, and that is the really nice Corona 10-inch folding pruning saw. These are really handy. I think I've done a review on this exact one about 2.5 years ago or so on the channel. It cuts like nobody's business. It's a really great item to have in your pack, whether you're hunting or camping, or bushcrafting, or surviving, or just plain doing some yard work. Really good deal there. And they're giving this one a $24.99 value, and I found it on Amazon for $19.98. That's the 60 over there. Which brings their total stated value for the Pro kit this month to $169.47. I came up with $139.84. Finally, the final subscription level for the Battlbox is the Pro Plus, or the Knife of the Month Club. And at that level, of course, you get everything else. Plus, you get usually a knife or a tool, some sort of cutting instrument usually. This month, that's a Real Steel Bushcraft Zenith knife, and from the folks at Real Steel. And this is a Battlbox exclusive, I believe. It's pretty cool. This knife itself is available. I've seen it a couple different places. It's a nice knife. Comes in a nice little, very good looking knife. I think it's G10 handles. Got a little jimping here. Got a sharpened spine here. They're calling this a Scandi grind. It does have a slight secondary bevel on it. Comes with a nice Kydex sheath with good retention there, plus a snap retention strap, which I like. My hands are so cold now. Plus a ferro rod. Turn that away. Nice ferro rod here. And I like the fact that it flips in there and has a retention strap already on it. And this one comes with something that's pretty cool. I think this is a Battlbox exclusive, is what they say. I think that's because it comes with this rotatable belt sheath thing that you can put on your belt, and you can actually rotate it from scout carry to regular carry, or whatever you want to do. It's got a little clip on here. So that's pretty cool too. So that is the Pro Plus, which brings their stated value for the Pro Plus this month to $294.46. I came up with $235.04. There you go. Okay, well, that was a hopefully quick look at the Battlbox Mission 46, December 2018 box, the gear box. Sorry for the noise and the rain and the goofy lighting. But we do whatever we have to do here to bring you our videos. So I hate for you to miss one of these. So anyway, I really appreciate your patience. Once again, thanks to the folks at Battlbox for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you, even the ones I'm really late on, like last month, and probably the month before. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, and very often random videos throughout the week. There's another one right there. If you're not subscribed, please click down in the corner. Be sure to click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss a single video. And thanks for doing your Amazon shopping through the Survival on Purpose links. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared. I'll see you next time.